If you're in the market for a new ride to haul that family around, check out this 2016 Dodge Caravan SXT. It's loaded with power windows, locks, mirrors, leather interior, analog gauge cluster, hands-free leather wrapped steering wheel, AM/FM radio, climate controls for front and rear, power sliding doors with captain's leather chairs in the back row. And in the back, you have plenty of cargo space for your strollers, groceries, whatever need be.